In this video, I'm going to restore this walnut cutting board. You'll notice how dried out this thing is, and I could have done a better job maintaining it. But if I would have done that, I wouldn't have been able to make this video. This is one of my first woodworking projects from about 6 years ago. I have a lot of tools now that I didn't have back then, so I'm mostly looking forward to this board no longer wobbling. This will be a quick and easy project. The first thing I'm going to do is flatten it out and square up the sides. This will essentially remove the outside layer of the cutting board and should give me pretty much a new piece to work with. I'm using a piece of MDF as a sled. To secure the piece, I'm just using some painter's tape and glue. I'm about to send this through my planer to remove a bit off the top layer. To square up the sides, I'm using my straight cut jig. These were completely straight when I made it the first time. Now I can use my crosscut sled to square off the ends. Time to start sanding. I like using these bench cookies. They do a great job holding my pieces in place. Before I had these, I just worked directly on my workspace and at times leave unwanted stains on my projects. After sanding with 150 and 220 grit, I pop the grain by spraying some water on the board. After it dries, you can hit it again with 220 to remove those fibers. To finish the board, I use Howard's cutting board oil. It's easy to apply. I applied 3 coats and let it sit all night between each coat. I did the same thing with Howard's Butcher Block conditioner. 3 coats, letting it sit through the night between each coat.